Welcome back viewers. In the last video we had done the testing for BPFLAND scheduler with the SCX BPFLAND variant. It was a XCX BPFLAND variant and the gaming profile was selected with the M performance scheduler flag enabled. Now we are going to change the scheduler profile to, let us go with the POWERSAVE. So the POWERSAVE scheduler flag has been enabled. Now you have to apply this profile. Use the sudo password to apply the profile to your system. Now you can see it has been enabled. Now you have to just type Geekbench in your terminal and start the test. The tests have started. Now we have to wait for the test to complete. Then we will check out the results. So single core test is about to complete and multi-core test will start. The test is about to get over. Okay, so you just copy this, open the browser, a new tab. We will just paste this and visit. Now you can see there is good improvement over the first test that we have done for the first BPFLAND scheduler variant, SCX BPFLAND scheduler variant. So this was the first one. This is the second one. You can see the change in the test scores. Now in the third test, the differences are less. Now the performance is, you can say, topped out. There is no much improvement in the performance. So this is for the PowerSave. So what we are going to do is, now we will stop the video here. In the next video, we are going to try out the low latency profile for the BPFLAND scheduler. So we are going to use the SCX BPFLAND scheduler with low latency profile in the next video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.